Hi everyone, welcome back for day 27 of the 31 Days of Halloween series. We're going to dip into dip powders from Kimberz Kreations, and we're going to be doing a lot of different things today. We're going to do an ombre, we're also going to do some glitter placement, but before we go ahead and get started with the ombre, we're going to go ahead and apply that gel base here to the entire nail. We're going to start off with the ombre on the thumb first, and then I'm going to carry it over on a couple of fingers here. So I'm just applying that gel base, and I am not going to cure. Alright, so those brushes that I showed also for the ombre, and these ones right here, these are actually eyeshadow brushes from Wet n Wild. They're super cheap. They're under $1 on Amazon, and I have the link in the description box below. There's two different styles. There's more of like a fluffier brush or this like denser brush. I like this one the best. I feel like the fluffier one does not pick enough product up. So I'm gently just tapping into that cupcake liner here, and then we're going to go ahead and switch into this gorgeous purple. Now you have seen these colors here in action before. We did like a Skittles Halloween mani, but for this mani, we're going to tie in some newer colors as well that you haven't seen, but these colors right here are perfect for Halloween. Look at that ombre here. It's really pretty with these two colors, and it's not like muddy or anything like that in the middle. It's staying true to those colors. So then for that second dip of the ombre, we're going to go ahead and apply the gel base to the entire nail. Now this time, instead of starting out with that green first like we did originally when we started the ombre, we're going to alternate those colors. So now we're going to start with the purple, then we'll go back in with the green. That's just going to help give this mani a really pretty radiant effect. And these colors turned out perfectly for this ombre. They just are so vibrant, and they're giving me total spooky Halloween vibes. You're really going to see this ombre come to life when we go ahead and cure it and brush off. But overall, I just love this so much. Also, when you are brushing off or tapping off, especially with like right now how we're going in with that green, you do not want to tap off into that cupcake liner because you're going to risk contaminating that dip powder with that darker color that we just used. So always go ahead and tap off on the side just to make sure you are not contaminating your beautiful powders. And if you are doing this ombre on your natural nails or on your hand itself and not making a press on, just make sure when you are doing the ombre and tapping that on that you are angling your finger as far down as possible like I am with that press on, just to get a really awesome radiant effect. Alright, so you can see with the second coat there of the dip powder after we cured, that ombre is super fun and bright. It almost looks like it's glowing in the dark even though it's not right now, just with like that color transition of like that bright purple and green. Overall super fun. So I'm going to show you this other nail here ombre on camera, and then I'll do the rest of the ombre off and we'll move on to some fun glitters. And don't forget to keep an eye out for that random Halloween image that's going to pop up randomly throughout this video today. That is going to be the image you need for your Google entry form. We are on day 27. I can't believe we're already on day 27. I know I've been saying that like every time, but I feel like it's going by so fast for me. But we still have a lot more fun coming up on the channel, and we're also going to do another fun series coming up in November, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so let's listen to some spooky music here and get into this Halloween mani, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit. Alright, so we're just finishing up hand placing a few more glitter pieces here on the thumbnail, and I really like this dip powder. I feel like you can get a lot of different looks out of it. You can focus on different color glitters, you can hand place a whole bunch of glitters, you can dip directly into the cupcake liner for like a full explosion of this beautiful glitter. So a lot of options with that one dip powder. Alright, so I finished placing everything, cured for 30 seconds. Now we're going to finish everything with a layer of gel top coat, cure for 60 seconds. And here's the finished mani. I really like this mani. It's kind of spooky, but yet super fun. And that decal that we did use is actually a Beetlejuice decal, and it's on sale right now from Nails Truly. But I just thought that was kind of cool that it is a Beetlejuice mani, and the colors that we're using are giving me Beetlejuice kind of vibes. So if you really wanted to turn this into a Beetlejuice mani, you can with more of those decals. But these colors are everything. They are just, you saw the solids in action before. They're beautiful. They're very rich in color. They're great great for ombre. And then the glitters that we use today are just so fun and beautiful and perfect for spooky season. And some of the colors also glow in the dark as well, which I really love that about this mani, because these glows are very, very, I would say, like a sensitive glow. So you do still get like this slight subtle glow throughout the night. So you kind of have like best of both worlds. All right, so everything we use in today's mani can be found in that description box below. Don't forget that image that popped up today. That is your image for that Google entry form for that giveaway. And I'll see you all in the next spooky one.